guys, welcome back to my channel. It is so good to see you here. And today what I have for you is the Apple Watch Ultra unboxing. So I just came back from the Apple store and decided to finally jump the gun on the watch, and I've traded in my Apple Watch Series 6. So I think it's a worthy upgrade from the Series 6 that I had previously and to the Apple Watch Ultra. And then here we go. Let's have a look. So that is the Ultra. You have your action button to the side, I think, and then you have your crown. It's got some sort of, so it's like covered by this sort of lip. Same thing with the screen, so it's not curved on the side, it's actually flat. I think this is what the leaks were showing earlier on, thinking we will have like a new Apple Watch Series 8 with flat edges or flat screen, more like a rugged design, but it's actually just the Apple Watch Ultra, but with everything else like the Apple Watch Series 8 should have the same design, I think, from the Series 4 also. Sorry, but yeah, you can say that I think, yeah, massive difference. Okay, I'm gonna assemble that with the strap. Okay, I believe that you can still use, if you have straps for the 45mm Apple Watch, it should still be compatible, from what I've heard anyway. So standard yada yada yada. Okay, cool, thank you very much, see you later. Okay, I'll put you there then. Okay, so I don't know if I like this really. So I did get a size small because, if you look, it just fits my wrist just about right. Okay, so which way do you actually put this on? So I'm guessing kapoosh and kadoosh. Did I put it the wrong way around? I don't know. We'll see. So it's on my right wrist. Yep, definitely was right to get the small. Okay. So I think you just kind of hook it inside one of the, and that is pretty massive. I'm not gonna lie. Shall we turn it on? Here we go. I don't know. But yeah, so this is the Apple Watch Ultra. I'm gonna play around with it for a few days and see how it compares to my Series 6, well, the one that I had anyway. So I'm just gonna set it up